I will show you how to use image embedding with MediaPipe in your Flutter application. So basically image embedding is like comparison of two images. I think like there is more to image embedding, but like in simple sense is like if you want to compare two images, you can use image embedding. So I'll first show you guys the output. So here is the output for my Flutter app. Like this image embedding library is only for Android at the time of this recording. There is no iOS sample as of yet. So yeah, so I have one button called three buttons. First one called pick image one. So if you click on pick image one, I can select one image. I'll select second image as well by clicking on pick image two. And if I click on compare, given that both of these images are same, I'm getting the output as 1.0. Now suppose if I select some other image and if I try to compare now, here you can see the value is not 1.0, like it is only 0.5 similar. Okay, so yeah, that's what image embedding is. Let's see how to get started. So first you will have to go to the documentation over here and you will have to scroll down and you can download the TensorFlow Lite model, whichever makes sense to you. Like this large one would be higher in size, would be bigger in size, but it will give you more accuracy, and smaller one would be less accurate but it will be smaller in size. So use whatever makes sense to you. Next, you will have to go to the Android folder of your Flutter app, go to src main assets, and here you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model which you have downloaded. Next, you will also have to go to build.gradle over here. You will have to set min HDK version to 24, and here I have added this activity and fragment Kotlin extension because I want to use register for activity result for picking an image. And here I have used this MediaPipe task vision dependency because this is what does the image embedding part for us. And I have also included this coil dependency which will help us to load bitmap inside an image view. Next, you will also have to go to settings.gradle and make sure you are using Kotlin 1.9.0. Next, we'll go to lib main.dart, and here I have refactored my home page widget. So here you can see I have taken this two image URL button. So once you click on a button and pick an image, uh, I send the image URI back to the Flutter side so that you can display that image using that image URI. And result data is used for comparing two images, and here I have created one method channel. And as you can see, I have one text button over here, like few text buttons. So for one first is pressed, I am calling pick image one, which will give us the image URL for first image. And similarly for second button as well, it is pick image 2. And here I am displaying our image view, first image view. Here I am displaying our second image view. And once the compare button is pressed, then I am calling compare method, and I am just setting the result to our result data. And inside the text I am displaying our result data. So yeah, I am displaying the font size as well as the colors red. Next, here I have defined my image view.dart, which is a custom native component we will be creating so that we can display image using the image URI. Here this is our identifier, and once we get the image URL, I am setting it to our maps variable. And here this is just for updating the image URL every time user picks a new image. And this is boilerplate code for displaying any kind of a native UI view inside Flutter. Next, you will have to go to the Android folder, Kotlin, main activity.kt. Here I am using Flutter fragment activity. If you want, you can copy all these imports as well. Then I have defined two method channel result, and here I have defined our first and second result embedding as well. And here I am just checking which button was pressed. And here we are creating our image embedder options, and whatever name you have inside the asset folder, same name should be used over here as well. Then I have created one variable for image embedder. We'll come back to this part in a bit. And here I am initializing our image embedder as well. As soon as configure Flutter engine is called, we are registering our image view. And here you can see I'm created method channel for pick image platform. So first once pick image 1 is called, I'm setting this variable as true. Once a pick image 2 is called, I'm setting this variable as false, so that I know which button was pressed, and I can accordingly use method channel result or second method channel result. And here once I'm comparing, I'm just comparing the first result and second results embedding, and I'm sending the similarity back to the Flutter side. And here I have created one helper method for scaling down the bitmap as well. Next, inside get content, we are using register for activity result. So once the user picks an image, we convert the URI to a bitmap over here. Then we convert the bitmap to an MP image over here. We pass the MP image to the embed method of image embedder, and if first button is clicked, then we call the results.embedding result and send it back to Flutter side. Similarly for second result as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.